Does your back ache, and are your shoulders constantly hunched forward? This yoga routine is exactly what you need. I'm Dr. Chernov. Right now, we'll do these exercises together to release tension, strengthen your muscles, and give you perfect posture. Roll out your mat, and let's get started. From a standing position, smoothly reach your arms up. Lengthen your spine nicely. Open your chest, and reach the crown of your head up following your hands. Take a soft, gentle back bend, focusing primarily on the upper back. Be mindful not to overarch or strain your lower back. Throughout this entire routine, breathe smoothly and deeply through your nose. With a natural exhale, fold forward. Reach your arms and the crown of your head forward, keeping a straight back. Continuing to lengthen, smoothly lower down, trying to bring your belly as close to your thighs as possible. If you feel any discomfort in your lower back, slightly bend your knees. Bend your knees a bit more, arms reaching forward, keeping your spine relaxed and lengthened. Gently sit down on your mat. Bend your right leg and place your foot outside your left knee. Lengthen up through the crown of your head and gently twist to the right. You can choose a simple variation, just hug your thigh with your arm, or go a bit deeper. Hook your elbow outside your knee and grab your shin or foot. The main rule here is to twist only with a straight back, constantly lengthening upward. Breathe deeply and calmly. On an inhale, smoothly return to the center and mirror the exact same sequence on the other side. With an inhale, return to the starting position. Place your feet hip-width apart and bring your hands behind you. As you exhale, press your hips up. Strongly lengthen your spine. Reach your chest toward your chin, with your knees at about a 90-degree angle. Breathe calmly, actively engaging your core. Now bring your feet together. On an exhale, lift your straight right leg up, flexing your toes toward you. If this variation feels a bit too challenging for now, that's completely fine. Just keep both feet on the floor and continue holding your hips up. Lower your right leg. Let's switch. Now the left leg goes up. Keep trying to press your hips up as high as possible. Smoothly lower your leg, and then slowly lower your hips to the mat. Draw your thighs into your belly, hug your shins, and bring your forehead toward your knees. Try to press your lower back firmly into the floor. If you feel any tension in your neck or discomfort in your lower back in this position, simply rest your head back down on the mat. Reach your arms back and with a smooth motion, guide your legs over your head. If it's accessible, grab your feet with your hands and try to straighten your knees. If that's not happening yet, gently support your lower back with your hands and bring your legs back only as far as your body allows today. The main rule here is absolutely no sharp discomfort or pain. Then bend your knees and softly, vertebra by vertebra, roll your back down onto the mat. With a gentle rock or carefully rolling onto your side, come up and transition into downward facing dog. Feet are hip-width apart, palms are shoulder-width apart. Actively press away from the mat with your hands and feet. Push your hips up and back. Keep your spine long and extended, and let your neck completely relax. Step your feet wide, forming an equilateral triangle. Place your left palm flat on the floor right in the center, underneath your face. On an inhale, open your chest and reach your right arm up. Legs are straight, lengthen your spine. Breathe smoothly and deeply. Gently switch hands and take the same pleasant twist on the other side. Return to center and carefully step your feet back. Lie down on your belly. Reach your arms forward, lengthening your spine. Your lower ribs are pressed firmly into the floor. Open your chest and draw your shoulder blades together. Heels are together, toes are pointed. Reach the crown of your head forward and smoothly lift your straight arms and legs up. Hold the tension. And gently release down. Immediately shift your hips back to your heels into child's pose, giving your back a rest. Reach your arms far forward, creating a nice, gentle stretch through all the muscles of your back. Come up on all fours. Knees are hip-width apart. Wrists are directly under your shoulders. For better support and balance, you can tuck your toes under. Take a deep inhale. Send a smooth wave through your spine. Drop your belly into a gentle arch and look up. On the exhale, tuck your chin. Round your spine deeply. Pushing your shoulder blades up to the ceiling and tuck your tailbone. Move smoothly, like a wave. Inhale, a soft arch. Exhale, an intense upward stretch of your upper back. Inhale again, back to a neutral starting position. Carefully walk your feet up to your hands. Your feet are parallel to each other. Clasp your opposite elbows, creating a bind. With an exhale, smoothly fold forward into a deep bend. If you feel any discomfort in your lower back, you can slightly bend your knees. Let your elbows and the crown of your head pull you down toward the earth. Then, lift up just slightly. Switch the cross of your arms to the opposite way and hang down again, completely relaxed. Release your arms, smoothly lower your hips, and sit down. Gently lie back onto the mat. You can adjust your pelvis with your hands to make sure your lower back is comfortable. Reach your arms far overhead, stretching your entire body. And now, rest your arms down by your sides. Palms face up, chest is open. Close your eyes. We are moving into a state of complete, deep relaxation. Allow yourself to rest for a couple of minutes. And when you're ready to slowly come back, be sure to share your feelings from today's practice in the comments.